All right, so today we're gonna try to get the pump going. Hasn't ran in like 2009 or since 2009 or 10. So we've got some water going in the tank. I guess we could open the tank fill pretty soon, or the tank suction. It's built in 1988. Hale 1500 GPM, 2-stage. In contra honking. Alright, so you can tell we're obviously still above the tank. Oh, we got some water leaking.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So that's coming from the tank to pump line up here. Right here is the pump transfer. This is the pump transfer itself. It's air actuated. I would assume this has to either come out or in. So what we're gonna do is start the truck up, build air pressure, put the truck in neutral, and throw the lever and see what happens. I would hope that that is a rotate, but we don't know. And this hasn't been pumped in like 10 years, so. Not too shabby under here. Not too shabby. Alright, what are we doing? Gonna pull the tank fill?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. There's water coming in. Yeah, hold on. Let's push it. Okay.
It sounds like it's cooking.
Are we getting it anywhere else? Oh, the other side.
Is it coming out?
Yeah. It's coming out of the intake. Oh, you're right there. Wow, that's smooth. Oh.
There you go. Clear.
Yeah, that's not too shabby. Let's let that go for like, what do you think? A minute?
Yeah.
And then we'll put a steamer on it? This
Yeah,
is
you got everything else
side.
closed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll just put a steamer cap on it for now.
Alright. He's filling up. That's good.
You want to start that back on the other side? You don't want to shut that suction.
I know, yeah. That's right to the pump. Let's let this do its thing for a minute or so.
I was going to say, you want to fill it up past that so then when we open it up, it blows out the whole pipe. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You should be able to shut this now, right? Well, I just want to take the water out of here. Oh, I got to come out the other side.
Alright. Yep.
Alright. Now, close the one on the other side.
It's, what, the drain? Okay, so we're gonna close everything up.
You want me to open this up over here?
Why?
So you don't have water coming out of it?
No, she's closed up.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
I don't know where.
so that's closed, that's closed.
You know what I mean?
Next, it should start coming out of these. Here, hold on.
I put a bunch here. I put a bunch on the gate in there, but I didn't get any on the inside of the gate. I've been going out for a minute. Might need a cheater bar to just stick in there.
We had the tank to fill, tank to pump, which is tank suction, closed for 15-20 minutes. These are all closed. This is on here. Style 10 on the other side. Ed, give her a yank. Oh, they're working fast.
Yeah, just a little bit.
You want to work them a little bit? I wouldn't hammer drains closed.
No, I just give it a tap. Yeah,
It's coming from underneath the ball valve.
Yeah, we could take them apart and rebuild them. So nice.
Go ahead.
That one actually helped a lot.
Whenever you're ready, Mike.
Later, you.
Oh. Probably shouldn't stick my face in there.
You got water out of it yet or not?
It's on its way.
We let a lot of water. It might need to just fill back up
Whoa.
now. You gotta trickle. It probably needs to fill back up. Ooh, there's crap coming out.
Oh, truck's coming in.
Okay.
Hey, you can close that rear 2.5.
See, it might be the cooler.
Oh, yeah, close the pump
I
cooler.
have the pump cooler closed, but it might be just leaking.
What about engine cooler?
There's only a pump cooler on it. Well, there's only one cooler on it. It doesn't actually specifically say which it is.
Open it.
Here comes the water. Dark cave. Oh, gross.
Oh my god. Looks like we had Taco Bell.
Maybe someone should have put a drain hole in the bottom.
Oh, it looks good. It's like the hydrant.
Yeah, it's clearing up.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Go.
Yeah. Back in the road. Put it in the neutral position on that.
There's no neutral on it. It's one of the other.
All right, do it again. Dude, smooth as butter. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. I'll tell you. Are you in drive? No, not yet. All right, put your foot on the brake. There's something spinning.
Open it to pump.
Open it up.
Yeah, it's in.
Okay, Phil. Good oil pressure. Wow.
much water, man.
Exactly, yeah.
Let's go take it down to a pond.
We've got 2 sections. We'll just put a rag over the end.
I have no doubt.